This time on GReviewz, we unbox the Axial SCX24, we take it out for a spin, and we actually show you some rumbles and tumbles that we've had throughout our testing phase. This time on GReviewz, thanks so much for watching and enjoy the footage. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing of the SCX24 by Axial. Now I've got the lights powered on, as you can see. Obviously I've taken this thing out already, and you'll see some of that trail footage here in just a minute. Some of the cool features, it does have metal differentials as well as a metal frame. And also another cool pretty thing is it does have portals, although it's not portals in the traditional spot. They're actually portal axles, and the fact that the axle is above the differential, it goes in above the where you'd normally see it. And then what's included in the box is it's got a 2.4 gigahertz 2-channel radio system. It's got an AS1 servo. It has a receiver and electronic speed control combo, USB charger. It's got an 88 tooth brushed electric motor, 2S lipo, and 4 AA batteries. Alright, so yeah, let's go ahead and dig in. I was just saving the box literally just for this video. I've obviously gone out and played with this thing many times, and it is quite the little rock crawler. Super high quality for especially how small it is. It has so much detail on it. It's really cool. Even down to the tires. They actually say Trail Grappler Nittos on them, mud terrain tires. It's really cool. It looks like it's got kind of coilover with a reservoir shocks. It's got 2 LEDs in the front. Just all the suspension is very well done. You got Axial, and here you can see those. Basically, like I said, portal axles. The actual axles normally would go here into the differential, however they do go above it, so you can kind of see that. So it has a 3-link suspension in the front, and it has a 4-link suspension in the rear. Plush tires, and they're super grippy. I mean, really they're super grippy, and obviously it has locked differentials. The actual cover itself does come off with a single pin, which does have a little rubber grommet on it, which is nice. So it just swings open, and then that reveals the guts. So it does have a little teeny tiny servo, but it's very powerful, as I'll show you in just a minute. The ESC is also the receiver here, and it got a couple different accessory ports, and I will be installing some more LED lights on this guy shortly. And then we also have this little 2S battery. I believe it's 350 milliamp hours, so obviously it's not a huge battery by any means, but it does great. It'll give you about 20 to 30 minutes of run time, depending on how fast you push it, or how hard you push it. The actual frame itself, like I mentioned, is metal, which is really neat. And then the motor is over here on this side, just a little teeny tiny motor, but like I said, it gets the job done. And when this thing is stopped, it really locks up. I mean, so if you're on a really steep incline or something, it'll lock up. It won't roll back on you, which is really cool. All right, so that's pretty much the whole Jeep. So there are a few things to note on the controller. Obviously, it's very adjustable. Let's go ahead and turn this guy on. As you can see, the steering is very powerful, and then you can see all the differentials working. So anyway, so that's that. Back to the controller. So this control panel up here has a couple different things on it. So there is a setting here. This low, medium, high is actually for the motor itself, so I'm in medium. So this is medium, high, and then low. So it actually controls how much power there is. And then we also have a driving ratio, the D and the R. So obviously it'll steer all the way right now. If you lower that DR, I don't know why you'd want that, but that is just something unique about this transmitter and this truck. Comes with a little charger, little USB charger. Probably takes about, I'm gonna say, half hour to 45 minutes to charge up that little battery. With any standard USB, we got instruction manual, and then a couple things that are included in the bag, registration, and then we also have a few spare tools. We've got one Allen wrench, and then we've got one clip, spare clip, and then one spare drive shaft, and a couple of the little plastic links in the suspension, so in case you break that stuff. Next, I'll go ahead and show you this little guy out on the trail. Stay tuned. Hard driving with one hand, but oh! Okay, here we go. Whoa. It's easier with one hand. Yeah. Good, Chad. Good, Chad. Oh, you're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Go back. Go back. Oh no! Stop, beaver! Stop, beaver! Oh! Come on, Chad, do it one-handed. Oh no! Oh no! Ah, dang it! Oh, I got it. There you go. Oh! Follow closely. You'll need to look cool with both of them on there at one time. Come on, Chad. Catch old man. There you go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right. As you can tell, we obviously had a lot of fun building this rock crawling course, and really for my dad, Chad, and I, this was kind of one of our favorite activities that we did when we were all together, kind of just building a little rock crawl course in my brother's backyard. So anyway, this has been Scott with GReviewz. Hope you guys enjoyed the footage, seeing Chad's dog basically like attack the cars. But anyway, the actual Axial SCX24s, they're really high quality, and they're a great way to get someone or a kid into the RC hobby with something that's really good quality that is upgradable. Anyway, like I said, Scott with GReviewz, thanks so much for watching. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.